So I'm going to try and do this filming it. Got my pole here. And I can't even touch bottom. I mean, my hand's in the water and I got nothing. I can't reach. I'm going to have to get a longer pole for this. But anyway, this is what I've got. This pole's probably, I'm 5'6". This pole's probably a 5-foot pole. So let's go up here where the ladder area is. Let me see. Okay, I've got ground right there. So I probably have 4 feet of water. Right there. That would be, midship right there. This is probably about 2/3 of the way up. Let's see what we've got here. Probably only about 2.5 feet or so right here. About right there on the pole, so maybe 3 feet. 3 feet of water, about right there. And then up here at the bow, get as close as I can here on the dock. About the same. So Marsh is about right there. So I would say up at the bow, got 3 feet of water right here too. Now where I'm at is probably a little bit lower because she's up on a hill there, where I'm more down in a little bit more of a valley. So she's probably in a foot or so less up here in the bow than maybe what I measured. We'll have to see maybe at low tide how much it rises there. But anywho, that's the water level measurements at high tide.